Hello guys and welcome to ECOX Network. I've made a video about this project showing how to mine and also how to verify your KYC. I think they have done their conversion at one point or the other, right? So basically, all you need to do is come here after every day and claim some green. So on the greening page here, you can see my power and you earn for completing tasks like making posts, like, comments, follow and stuff. So I have this here to claim. So let's click on claim. Alright, so I have claimed that. Right, my total mine green is here, converted 0 unconverted. Weekly rewards ECX 36, right? My history greening power level is also shown here, KYC tier and so on and so forth, power change history. So that's by the way. In this video I want to guide you on how to connect your wallet, right? So let's click on menu here. You click on wallet. So on the wallet page, this is supposed to be where you can send, receive, withdraw and make deposit, right? And also your token history is here. Your green token collection, you can see what I just claimed is also there. The ECX, so I've been getting rewards in ECX when my KYC referrals complete task, right? So the connect wallet feature, let's click on it. So now you have the wallet options. There's 1-inch Binance Wallet, Ledger Live, BitPay wallet. So you can click on search wallet to open 490 more wallets. So is it OKX you want to connect? So you go prepare the wallet and you come back and you click on connect. You can simply use wallet connect, right? Wallet connect can still give you access to wallets like this. I'm going with OKX. Let's just try. Let's hope it connects. All right, so network selected is Ethereum. Just click on connect wallet. Connected, return to the app. Well, I'm not using the app, so I'm going to return to the platform I'm using. So back here, then it says add your Web3 wallet. So now I see sign. So let's click on sign. So I'm going to do it again. I don't know what happened. So disconnected. I'm going to connect again. Connected. That's the final stage to sign, right? Click sign in. All right, so I think it's better to go do this on the dapp browser. Actually, it's giving me this right here. Check if your current location allows access to this website. So I guess I'm going to need some VPN. So I'm on CityVPN. It's a free VPN. 𝗘𝗖𝗢𝗲𝗲𝗲𝗱 VPN. So sometimes you don't necessarily need the VPN. Sometimes try other things like updating your app to the latest version or switching your network provider. Yeah, that too can cause it. Alright, so I've logged in on the wallet. Let's proceed. The same, procedure. Wallet. Maybe the wallet was added. Now I just need to sign or something. So let's click on sign. Actually, this is the last step I needed to do that I could not due to, maybe because I was on the browser, right? But now on the wallet is easier. So you can click on confirm here. And you verify with the fingerprint. And boom, I have successfully linked a wallet, right? So this is just how to go about it. You can easily just right from the first step, log into the app.ecox network on your wallet, right? And connect on the dapp browser of your wallet and connect easily. So that's how to connect your wallet. So over here on the official Twitter page, let's hit the follow button and let's scroll through to see what we are missing, if there are any new updates. They're doing bounty, 100,000 ECX, 100% unlock, $500,000 successfully raised. 𝗘𝗖𝗢𝗲𝗲𝗲𝗱 is coming. So concerning the listing they shared this year on the 18th of October, ECOX Network ready for major exchange listing. After reaching final agreements with leading investments, funds and top key opinion leaders who joined the seed round, ECOX Network is now officially entering the preparation phase for major global exchange listings. Important updates. Starting this week, all swaps from green to ECX will now be converted into 100% locked ECX. The unlocking process will only apply to members who have made active contributions to the growth and expansion of the ECOX network. Members who voluntarily lock their free ECX to show long-term commitment to the project. This policy aims to strengthen our community and ensure transparency and build sustainable long-term growth, creating a solid foundation for ECX value appreciation ahead of exchange listings. So it's not too late. You can still join this project using the link I'm leaving for you in the description box of the video, pin, comment, and us on Telegram and start farming. Thanks and do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.